it's your girl Anna K, and I am back with another video. Today I will be doing the day in the life of Anna K Cleveland edition, because for those of y'all who don't know, Destiny, shut up! For those of y'all who don't know, I'm in Cleveland for the whole summer. Come here, Danita. She just want to be in this so bad. Say hey.
Hi.
Say hey, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Okay, so that's my niece, Danita. And I don't know, today I was just like, why not do the day in the life of? So I already took my shower, washed my face, brushed my teeth. I'm doing my hair right now. I did my little leave out. If y'all would like, I'm gonna do a video on how I style my leave out, or like how I blend my leave out. So if you would like to see that, just leave that in the comments down below. And yeah, so right now we're just finna clean up. We're cooking dinner. It's only 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but we put it in the slow cooker. It's just some ribs, potatoes, onions, you know, all that great stuff. And then I gotta go somewhere to do volunteer hours, because at my high school you need 75 volunteer hours to graduate, and it's mandatory. For those of y'all who don't know, I will be going into my senior year, so I really need those hours, and I only have 5. I'm so tired of Destiny. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hey y'all, so I kind of forgot that I was doing a day in a life, but anyways, I just came back from the store. I got some chips, 2 packs of sunflower seeds. One of them I already opened, and then I got an apple Snapple, and that's about it. Oh, I put my hair up, 1 because it's hot, and 2 because I'm finna take a nap. My sister is supposed to be home so we can go get our volunteer hours, but she's taking too long, so I'm just finna take a nap. When I see you guys, I'll be waking up from my nap, so don't judge me. Like, I'm telling y'all in advance, don't judge me, because I might look a little ugly. Hey y'all, so I didn't end up taking my nap because my sister was like, she's down the street. So we had to put on our shoes. Exactly. I could have took a little 5-minute nap.
I was down the street.
That's what Destiny said. Destiny said you down the street, put on your shoes.
Are y'all ready? You said everybody's ready.
The second time you called.
The second time I called, that was it.
So Destiny just be making up stuff. She said that Tara called and was like, I'm down the street, put on your shoes. Thanks, Des.
She was. Well, that's what she said.
No, I didn't.
You said either that or...
Oh, you don't even know
or
what
I'll be there in a minute.
I'm sorry.
Anyways,
In a minute, clearly wasn't
so
Give me my popcorn.
where are we going again?
Y'all finna go do some community service.
We're finna do community service.
I got for Jailbird.
For the Kick Foundation.
For the Kick
Kick
Foundation, which is for the people with kidney problems.
You gotta be fixing your hair the whole time you saying that. Well, then you supposed to do it before. Oh my God, get off. Get that damn camera.
Tara, she doesn't want to be in it because she thinks she looks ugly, but she always thinks
Grandma
she
gonna
looks
call
ugly.
if you cuss.
Yeah, don't curse, Tara. Grandma, my mom gonna call.
She gotta calm down.
You got the same mama.
All right, you guys. I'll see y'all when we're
Inside.
doing community service. Yay! So much fun. Right now, we are helping clean this room. So we're just moving everything out. And I don't know what we're gonna do when we move everything out. I think we're gonna like decorate it or something. I'm not really sure. But my hair was cute today. And now I'm just finna sweat it out for real. And I'm very upset. Say hey, this. Okay, guys, it's bye train. I don't know what we finna do next. We finna do something though. Guess we're gonna mop the floor. So right now, we outside. My nephew, he just mowing the grass. And then we gonna go. Hopefully we get ice cream, cause hopefully we get ice cream, cause I love me some ice cream, boy. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but I really don't want to yell, cause I do not like yelling for real. So we just left her house and now we're finna get ice cream. We're finna get ice cream and I love ice cream. Where are we getting ice cream from?
McDonald's.
We're getting ice cream from McDonald's. And I'm so excited because who doesn't like ice cream?
Where's Marcus live?
Hey. So we are at Giant Eagle, which is a grocery store. We get macaroni for our rib roast. If you don't know what a rib roast is, it's a pot roast but with ribs. So like we got the potatoes and the onions and I'm just ready to go home and eat it. Oh, and we're still gonna get ice cream.
Oh my God, are you still video vlogging?
Oh,
Is this Anna's 60 days of summer vlogmas?
It's 104 days of summer vacation.
Vlogmas at Christmas time? Probably not.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Be right back.
This is the outfit of the day. I have a black shirt that's not mine. I have these blue pants from somewhere. Tommy Hilfiger purse. Black slides. Outfit of the day. Let's go. Follow me. They left us.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, where are they? Oh.
Alright, girl, we thought we got to go on and
Me and my child, second born. She got Chase macaroni.
You must have an automobile made
We
from
got our
$19.99
ice
or
cream.
higher.
I used to keep
So I hope she put this in a vlog. I'm about to take her pictures. Like I said, I hope she put this in the vlog. And yeah.
He love the way you sing. Diamonds in the chain.
I got the short sauce up. I don't have any pants on.
You're not in it. Y'all, got my food, macaroni, broccoli, and rib roast. Finna smash. Oh, what do y'all want my next mukbang to be? Taco Bell, McDonald's, Burger King, anything. Leave in the comment section down below. So we got done eating dinner a while ago and we just been sitting. So now we have to clean up the kitchen and the dining room and the living room and every other room in the house. I'll see you guys when I'm done cleaning up. 1, 2, 3. The kitchen is clean. Great. Now, I'm gonna go upstairs and lay down. Well, put on pajamas and then lay down. Just chill on my phone and all that great stuff. So I guess this is the end of the everyday in my life vlog. This is gonna be part 1 because I'm probably gonna do this like more. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
When I'm around, they mute, cause they know this tongue a pistol. I ain't scared to make it shoot.